Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, in pretty much all the cultures in Nigeria, we have one saying that is pretty much native to all the cultures in Nigeria. So in an ode to the Nigerian state, I shall say that saying in Pidgin English, which is the one language that unites the whole of Nigeria. So I'll say this saying in Pidgin, and I will not even bother translating it because really you should understand it. So that saying that is common to all Nigerians is the Pikin we say im mama no go sleep, himself no go sleep. That is the saying, the pikin we say im mama no go sleep, himself no go sleep. So that's the saying, and with that I bring you this. If someone hasn't done anything to you and all you do is criticize them, then look into yourself. This is according to Zara Buhari, the daughter of Malam Buhari. So that's the headline. Again, if someone hasn't done anything to you and all you do is criticize them, then look into yourself. And this statement is attributed to Zara Buhari. So now let's get into the body of it. Zara Buhari Ndimi, daughter of President Buhari, has shared a post on her IG page where she addressed unjust hatred and dislike in humans. In her post, Zara stated that hating someone unjustly is usually born from a place of jealousy. She advised anyone with such traits to look inwards for solutions. She revealed that she has also faced unjust hatred before and revealed how she was able to handle it. So now let's get into exactly what she said. So read below her post. Today my post is pretty random, just like previous post. I just want to quickly address some sad issues. I hear people being shamed, isolated, hated, treated so wrongly, mainly for no reason, and I have been brainstorming what those reasons could be, and the only thing I could come up with was jealousy, and that jealousy is written in capital letters. You see, if someone hasn't done anything to you and all you do is criticize them, then look into yourself and critically analyze the situation and see if you are in the wrong. We have other instances of compatibility. That is something else. When you and the person don't flow at all, there's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to be mean or rude to the person. Just say your hellos if you can and let it be. Okay, when you are being hated on or being bullied, believe it or not, it's happened to me on several times. That should be several occasions, but she said on several times, when people thought they could push me around and do what they wanted to me. Sure, you can think you can treat me the way you wish and go free, but don't forget I have the power as to how I react or respond. You, that is bullies and haters, so that's in brackets. So you, bullies or haters, will not have the power to treat me the way you, that should be the way you want, but she only said the way you, and also have the power to control how I respond or react. You can only choose one. There's no doubt it could hurt before you get used to it, but I have secrets and ways for you to cope with these kind of people. But share with me what you would do if you were bullied or hated on. So now here we have Malam Buhari's daughter complaining effectively, because these are coded words, of course, and I don't think anybody is fooled by this little girl's attempt at being cute or clever. So obviously coded words to people who are opposed to her father, that why do you hate him so much? I don't really think this girl is doing any serious thinking wherever she is, sipping champagne in some luxury place, because if she's doing any thinking, then she would not have put this out at all. If she wants to know why people are hating on her father, then just get into your convoy, because of course I know these people travel in convoys, and ask that convoy to just drive round just outside of your gated estate, just 2 miles outside of the gates of your estate, and you will immediately see why people are hating on your father, because your father is ruining lives and killing people. This is why. So as I said, the pikin will say in mama no go sleep, himself no go sabi sleep now. So if this man is intent on brutalizing the country, then of course he's not going to have a moment of peace. Why would he have? No, think about it. Think about what this girl is saying. Why would her father have peace as he continues to brutalize people? How does that work? What sort of logic or reasoning is going on in this girl's mind, that your father continues to brutalize, traumatize, and damage people, and damage a whole country of 200 million people, and you are saying he should have a peaceful time? How can the two of them go together? So these 200 million people that is brutalizing and traumatizing, what is their take? You know, are you saying they shouldn't fight back? Are you saying they should just stay there and continue to be hemmed down and pegged down and beaten down upon? So there's no level of thinking there, and I don't know how these things are run, but I'm pretty sure they're going to make her take down that Instagram or tweet or whatever it is that she's put out, because there's absolutely no. This is almost provocative what this girl is doing, saying that why are you dissing my father now? Why will we not ditch your father when we arrest somebody without crime, detain people without something, use bullets against protesters carrying placard, wipe out a whole sect of a religion within the Nigerian state, and you are asking why people are hating on your father? No, it is love that they will be loving him for killing people. But get lost, Joe. Go back to the counting the dollars, which has been your job the last 4 years and will be for the next 4 years. I mean, just get out of the place, man. They say, why are you hating on my father? Why are you hating on my father? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Get out of here, man. Okay, conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. What this girl is saying, pretty annoying. It's almost like she's taking the piss out of everybody. But before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your take is on this Buhari's daughter's comments in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there, but here I say peace.